In this video, I will show you how to fix the scored IP authorization link has expired. So in order to fix that, you can actually do a lot of methods. For example, you just need to head over right here to your URL and make sure to refresh it. Now, if you already refresh it and nothing has happened, what you can do next is to make sure to open in here a new tab and check your internet connection. Because in some cases, the internet has hindered your ability to access links. So just see if it's actually fast enough to run that link. Now, once you have determined that your actual internet is okay, what you can do next is to click on these three dots and then from there click on the settings option. And then after that, just make sure to see this right here. Search in here for cache. Then click on this delete browsing data. And then for this one, just click on this cached emails and then from there click on this delete data. After you have done that, you should be able to refresh the link again and then access that link. So in order to do that as well, you can also see if anything has been wrong and check if it's only been faulty on your device.